welcome to day 10 of the 31 days to get organized challenges. Now today, what I want you to do is to go around your house and find every box, every bin, every container that contains pens and pencils. And I want you to spread them all out on the kitchen table. Put a towel down first to protect the surface, then separate these guys into like items. Sharpies, pencils, pens, you get the idea. Now, get rid of any items that no longer have ink in them, that you know you'll never use, that, well, are just crazy extras. The local school or kindergarten will love having these. Then, if you want to use containers, have a reasonable number around the house, but just reduce these so that it's manageable and not cluttering up your space. Pens and pencils. That's what it's about today, and I'd love to hear the number that you find in your house. Get to it.